Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning Therapy. In today's video, let's see how to teach our toddlers or how to teach our children, little one, to learn mathematics in an easy way. This is a very simple and easy activity so that your children will show some interest towards this multiplication. Here you can see I have took two tables. Today we are going to see 2, 3 and 5 tables. So you can first draw a steps like this and number them like this. So the answers are in different colors. Here you can see I have made a mark so that you can insert this flag near here like this and keep moving the other from the other side. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10. So it goes on and the finishing line is here. So this is a very simple activity. Any children can do this. Make them to learn the two tables and then do this activity, so they will try to memorize, they will try to show interest on multiplication tables. So let's move to 3 tables. This is 3 tables. Here you can see a simple square shaped chart paper I have took and made a line like this. So you can keep moving on. You can give it to any do like this and give it to child, so they will keep playing with this and side by side they will memorize also. So 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. You have to stop in this green line. It can be any color, that doesn't matter. So 2 into 8 equal to 24. So this is simple, very simple activities, very simple exercise. This also increases your fine motor by holding these chart papers. So the next come 5 tables. So this is a very easy table. Any children will memorize this table very easily. Yet why I have done this activity, because the child has to know the concept of 5 minutes, I mean the 5 which resembles to our clock also. So it looks like clock. So every time the arrow mark moves, so 5 times it increases. So 5 into 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10. So 5 3 time is 15, 5 4 time is 20, 5 time is 25, and keeps moving on. If you want to check out, you can also close this answer and just like that ask them. So by doing this they will learn minutes, they will learn hours, they will learn the clock activity, clock concept, timing concept very soon. So now let's see how little one is going to teach her Minnie Mouse these tables.
Hi Minnie, today let's learn 2, 3, 5 tables. These are steps. This is 2 tables. We'll start here and finish here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24. Finish. Now let's see 3 tables. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Now 5 tables. 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 5 into 3 is equal to 15, 5 into 4 is equal to 20, 5 into 5 is equal to 25, 5 into 6 is equal to 30, 5 into 7 is equal to 35, 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 5 into 11 is equal to 55. 5 into 12 is equal to 60. Thank you.